we each have our own brand of leadership, and I think each brand of leadership has its own strengths and weaknesses. And for me, my brand of leadership is that I walk beside my followers. So, because I think that leaders should not be in front of their followers, should not be in front of their people. Rather, leaders should be in the middle of its people. Para pag nag-move forward kayo, everybody moves. Walang naiiwan, lahat empowered. And honestly, for my strengths and weaknesses, I think yung sa strengths ko, leadership in action. More than yung supervisory skills, I move din kasama ng followers ko. And I think that's very important kasi you get to show them kung paano gawin yung trabaho, and then they will follow you. And I think magandang example na ang leader mo ay follower din, good follower. Then another strength is that I think I am versatile. I get the dirty job done, literally. So I get to use my physical strengths para magawa yung trabaho. Hindi lang siya puro vocal, hindi lang puro mental, ay kaya kong gamitin yung katawan ko para i-accomplish successfully yung projects na binibigay sa akin, na i-head ko din. Also, I think, isa pang strength ko ay may pagka-perfectionist ako. Gusto ko everything ay organized. Kasi, one way para maging successful yung council is kailangan lahat ng bagay ay organized para mabilis yung trabaho nyo, efficient and effective. Then for my weakness, I think one major weakness na na-realize ko while I'm on the position as Secretary for External Affairs is that I cannot delegate tasks effectively, properly. But since nasa position ako, I know na leader ako na nag-grow. So ang mahalaga is natututo ako sa while on the position, and I'm happy na na-address ko yung weakness ko na yun on my turn, na na-realize ko na dapat ginagamit ko, minomobilize ko yung mga followers ko, hindi lang yung ako lang yung nagtatrabaho. Kasi first of all, kaya sila nag-volunteer is because gusto nilang matuto, and as a leader, ang gusto mo is matuto sila. So why not give them the opportunity to handle projects, to handle projects para ma-empower yung skills nila and maging masaya sila sa sarili nila. So I think yun yung strengths and weaknesses ko as a leader. Thank you.
Well, first of all, the question was, how do I lead my people? First, I lead my people with the philosophy of, as CWP this year, we believe in having everyone involved, having everyone in the college involved. Kaya kami nakapag-form ng phrase na kasama ka. We would ensure involvement of all the students, not only in all activities, but also in all our endeavors, in all our stands, in whatever decisions that we make. We make sure that all our decisions and all our actions are fair to all, are equal to all. And as the UFA representative, incumbent and now outgoing, I always believe in maximum student representation. And with that, I always consider all sides of anything, all sides and all opinions that are involved, such as kapag may mga budgets, make sure ko talaga na lahat sila na kasama sa desisyon na ginagawa ng konseho. And also, the second question is, what are my strengths and shortcomings as a leader? First of all, I would like to say na I probably am a person who has a sense of vision always. I always see a council, I always see a college that is unified, I always see a college that is cohesive and inclusive, wherein everyone is kept in touch, kept involved, and kept rooted inside the college. And furthermore, I believe always na it's not the government or the council or any group of people that is above the students. I always believe that we are rooted with the students, and the students are who we serve, and they're the ones that should be in charge, kumbaga. Sila palagi yung namin tinatanong, sila palagi namin kinukonsulta sa bawat ginagawa namin. And I also have a sense of objectiveness and belief na, yun nga, as youth representative, we are proud that we are in the legacy of the USC representatives. We always keep ourselves balanced and we always keep our decisions objective as possible. We always take both sides into consideration before we move. And as for shortcomings naman, some people deem me bossy when sometimes in meetings, in any conventions, but I believe that I can use that as a strength. I can utilize that and channel it into a sense of authority rather than being bossy. Yung authority ko that would call for discipline sometimes in the council, which is very much important, I believe. And siguro, isa pang shortcoming ko is I get attached to people very much. And in a council, you try to be as professional as possible. But sometimes hindi mo maiwasan na talaga maging personal. But I also see it as a positive thing wherein, yun nga, bilang kasamang estudyante sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, importante na attached ka rin sa student team. Yun ang po.
I think I would be as simple as a beaker. Yung running for presidency would be as simple as a beaker. Kasi basic apparatus siya sa laboratory and kailangan mong gamitin. Hindi nawawala siya sa bawat experiments, yung paggamit ng beaker. And basin din siya for everything. So I think yung nilalagay natin sa beaker na yun is yung constituents. So running for presidency, it means na kailangan mong mahawakan yung buong tao na sineserve mo. So I think that's it.
The lab apparatus or equipment that I would most probably best represent, siguro for me, steering rod. Kasi, besides what you think I would answer, a steering rod is usually used to transfer liquids from one container to another without it going anywhere else besides the vessel that it should contain in. And I believe that through me, I've always been a liaison officer in the council. And now, to be your youth president, I believe I can channel everything from one container to another such that maayos yung pamamalakad, maayos yung pag-transfer, maayos ang yun nga, lahat ng mga activities, maayos ang lahat ng projects, so make sure that the council is cohesive, hindi makakalat kung saan-saan yung mga gagawin namin. And as a council, and as a college, hindi tayo pupunta sa counter instead of sa beaker na dapat natin puntahan.
So,
Shit! Nako, ito na.
Thank you!